Hey, welcome everybody, and welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork here. And today is Friday, TGIF, everybody, October 7th. I guess it's Lucky Day Friday. It's Friday the 13th, being a bad luck day. We got a good luck day here today. So let's jump in here to the economic news releases, and you'll see what I'm talking about here. We got the non-farm payrolls, meaning non-farm that are going to be jobs that are added to the economy here. Back in August, we had 57,000 jobs that were new jobs, which were obviously very disappointing back in August. And we estimated just a slight uptick, about 59,000, and woo, a whopping 103. So, to be honest with you, folks, that's not really good enough. This is skewed by a couple different things. So, this Wall Street's all excited about it, thinking that this is great news that we're not going into recession, but I'll tell you why it's not great news. It's not great news primarily because they did increase a little bit of the other months, but if you look at half of that, about 45,000 of those jobs were from strikers coming back to work from Verizon. So about 45,000 that went unemployment and then came back to work. So half of that is actually just people returning back to work. So not great numbers in that. Also, you got to factor in that you need 125,000 a month, new jobs per month, just to keep up with the population growth. And then another 200 to 300,000 jobs just to make a dent in our unemployment rate. Wall Street's excited about it, not thinking we're out of this recession talk, but my personal opinion, we're out. We're still on with it. So let's jump into the next one here, the unemployment rate. And I got 9.1, and basically thought it would remain, and sure enough, they did. They were right. So still not great numbers here. Average hourly earnings also for September. August was a negative number, and we figured it'd be uptick, and sure enough, we got it as well. So same thing, 0.2%. So we got estimates came in. Wholesale inventory is not a big number to really be big deal here, but we had 0.8% back in July, and this is for August actually, and there was no estimate. So the actual numbers came in at 0.4%. So, uh, still not a big number to be a big deal. So this is the only news, really, headline news we got is the stock market. And the stock market, of course, is really liking what we're seeing in regards to the job numbers. So, finally one day without really talk about Greece or Europe on, being today. So, how does this translate to interest rates and the bond market? Let's see. We're definitely in bond market's in a downward trend here. It looks like we're going through primarily, the news. I don't think it's great news, but we're going through, I believe, a correction here. So we see a downward trend in the bond market. What does a downward trend in the bond market means? Interest rates are rising. So this entire week we've had rates going upwards rather than downwards. So if you're looking to refinance and we're kind of putting off and shopping around, you kind of miss the boat for the time being. So you may have to wait or may have to, uh, take it now and absorb your losses because rates did go up this week. Uh, and as we can see, we have a couple of opening gaps from yesterday to today. So at some point, that's going to close. We will rebound, I believe. If you go back to earlier in September, about middle of September, we had that big opening gap upward. So this could be the correction we may be seeing, where that will be corrected. See that big opening gap around the 15th to the 16th. As I had mentioned back then, that at some point that's going to close up, and this could be the trend. So the next support will be about a par 50 level, so that could easily bounce off of that and rebound upwards. When that may happen, it's hard to say exactly. So, anyways, stick for the next slide here. I got a little bribe for you folks here, and basically, if you guys subscribe to Mike's Daily Market Report, jump on to mikesdailymarketreport.com. I'm going to send over to you a free ebook, First Time Homebuyer's Guide to Free Money and Low Interest Loans. Just looking for a little bit of support for you folks. If you can do me that favor, I will send you out that free ebook. I think you'll really like it. So, you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I will catch you on Monday.